You're watching the Idle Sleep mattress unboxing. Hi everyone, Nestle here. In this video, we're going to unbox the Idle Sleep's two-sided mattress. I'm not quite sure if it's the all foam or hybrid, but definitely I'll put it on the title after I state what's going on with the mattress. I will sleep on it and I will give you my personal feedback about what to expect from this mattress in the next video. There are 9 criteria that you should look when you're buying a new mattress, and we're going to cover every detail in the second review video. Mattress review, go to girlonthemattress.com. The link is above or below, and also there will be a discount code exclusively for you. I'll see you in the next video, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you guys.